Start by performing an accessible node search from Starter. Be sure to set the PGPC interface to TCP/IP before starting the search. Highlight the desired drive object in the Accessible Nodes window and right-click the line. From the drop-down menu, click Edit Ethernet Node. Edit the IP address to match the network you are connecting to. Each byte must be edited individually. The subnet mask must also match the network. Edit as required. When the correct IP address and subnet mask has been entered, click the Assign IP Configuration button. Notice that clicking Close in the window does not perform the change. You must click the Assign button. When the parameters have been transferred, click Close on the pop-up box. We can now change the device name in the same manner. Enter the new name in the device name box and click the Assign Name button. Click Close in the pop-up when the name has been transferred to the device. You can now close the Edit Ethernet Node window. To test that the name and IP address have changed, click the Update button in the Accessible Nodes window. When or if the system asks to add a suitable IP address, click Yes. Note that if a hard IP address has been assigned to the PGPC port, you may need to change it to match the network addressing set up in the drive. The update should return the device with the new IP address and device name.